Still early. Or you know, actually 64 here was also good.
Oo nga. Bakit parang close sila?
That's it, early.
Yan na.
Nobody's fine. No more lunch.
Sure? Oo, sure na.
Oops, there is a glass broken out. Or the only one cleaned up.
Ay, oo nga. Ba't ganon? Is definitely less crowded than other malls.
Yep. Filipina, always next to me.
Okay, sir. Thank you for choosing Texas Roadhouse. Here's our menu. Here's our menu, sir. Just call us if you're ready to order. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Well. Hello, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone, wherever you are.
We are back at Texas Roadhouse in Evia. And I think they changed the complete stuff. Nobody knows us.
Well, the one who led us here to our
Kyla?
seat. Yeah, it's actually, she's been here since the first time we were here.
Okay. Gutomako, I need to choose my food.
Oo nga. Mag-early lunch na naman kami. Ganyan talaga mga seniors, early lunch, early dinner, not really early to bed. Look at that.
Sir,
Tubig lang.
tubig lang po, sir. Any discount card gamitin po?
Senior cup meron?
Senior?
Oo.
Ito gusto ko. Ito. Ayan. So we were just informed by one of the staff that soon BDO will be offering again a 50% discount on this restaurant. So in order for us not to miss the special discount, we requested Texas Roadhouse to send us an email or send us a text pala.
Send us a text. I took the opportunity. And because every time we are here, even if the staff is changing, they are always friendly,
Yeah.
always attentive to the customers' needs. I really like it here.
Oo nga.
And a few of them are here since a long time and know us.
Yeah. It's always a very nice experience here at Texas Roadhouse.
Yeah, definitely. And the steaks are good.
Yes.
And I would say not overpriced. I mean,
For a good quality.
yes,
right?
it's a real good steak. And well, I had in other better known brands very negative experience with high priced steak and not good.
Yep.
But here I was never disappointed.
So we had already placed our orders. I can't wait! Excited ako to eat here again after months.
Months or years?
O baka may 1 year na.
Oo.
It's difficult to get track of time, especially when you're always at home.
Yeah, and especially because every weekend when we go for lunch, we try to go to different restaurants. If we find something new, of course we prefer the new ones first. And but on the good ones, we're always coming back.
You know what just happened?
So I was thinking, last time, or every time we come here, there is a complimentary bread with butter. But they didn't bring it yet. So I was about to ask the waiter. And before I could raise my hand, the waiter was already coming to our table and said, sir, sorry, the bread is still baking, 5 minutes more. And I was, can you read my mind? Honey, what is this water outside there for?
Well, as you explained to me, what was it?
It is for the food pickup by Grab or Panda, so the riders can get some water while waiting for the food.
Ah, yun pala yun. Ayan oh. Walang flavor, water lang.
Oh, okay naman. Better than nothing.
Oo nga, sa bagay, you're right.
Oh. So when they have the BDO special event, then I will get one of these. It's by weight, and the steaks looks really, really good. Can't wait to try them.
Well, sir, bread. And for NY strips, sir. House salad. And chili soup.
Chili sauce. Chili sauce or chili soup?
Chili soup, sir.
Ang bango naman yan. This one smells so good.
Yeah, and it's good. I had it last time as well.
Yeah.
And usual, the nice salad, sides not too big, not too small, just right. And then the complimentary bread over there, freshly baked. I saw it coming out of the oven.
Oily.
Thick chili. Anghang.
Amoy putok. It smells like honey, body odor. But the taste is so good. It's like cumin. Cumin smells like putok.
Yeah. Wanna try?
Isa natin itong mga complimentary.
Should dip it into the chili sauce.
Oily ah.
Eat. Cannot eat like this. Oh. That will take a little bit time.
Ang sarap ng pandalimon nila.
Kasi fresh baked, it really just came out of the oven.
Ayan. Ay!
And as you see,
Ang sarap ng putok.
salad is good as well. Vinaigrette dressing.
Asin niya.
Makes you more hungry.
Oo nga. So that's why, no? I remember in Japan that even sometimes some restaurants serve apple cider. Ito pala yun eh.
Butter. You said it's already oily.
Butter pala.
But really for the bread I have to wait. It's very hot in it.
Masarap itong Mexican sauce.
Cheesy. How is the butter?
Mga hayok na kami sa gutom.
I think the butter is with walnut.
Is it okay if I dip into the
Of course.
Mexican sauce? This is even Mexican. I don't know what kind of...
Chili is usually Mexican, but I think in the southern states of US very popular. And every one of the cowboys has his own special
Right.
recipe.
Yeehaw! Ang sarap. Busog na ako sa complimentary pa lang. Honey, let's go home. I'm already full.
You might be full, I'm not. I'm looking forward to my steak.
Ang sarap ng dressing ng
Salad.
ng salad. It's vinaigrette, but it's not that sour. I really enjoy the food here at Texas Roadhouse every time. O, tingnan mo, haba ng cheese. Whoop! Uy! Parang goma. Wala, naubos na namin yung mga finish na the salad and ayan. Wala,
Half of the chili sauce.
oo, wala pa rin yung aming order. Uwi na tayo, honey.
I cannot see there's a kitchen. You know what I really don't understand with this young generation. They're coming here with the girlfriend. He has his phone in the hand, headset on. Are you on a date or are you listening to some YouTube? Get your attention to your girlfriend, man.
Ganun talaga yung Gen Z. It's all online. Everything is online.
Even if you're offline with your girlfriend. Grabe.
Check na lang po natin yung steak. Ayos pa rin po yung doneness.
Okay?
Pakatapos.
Teka muna. Lolo or slow. Perfectly done. Thank you. Wow. Look on your chicken. Look on my steak.
Oo nga.
And look what's left of the chili. Nothing. And perfectly made. I ordered medium.
Ay, okay. Where's my chicken? Ayun, my favorite.
Ano ang chicken? Medium, rare.
Walang ganon, it should be well cooked. Come to mama.
Sarap ng steak.
Sarap ba? Ako excited na tuloy ako to try my chicken naman.
You barely need a knife to cut it.
Really? It's that tender, ah?
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Even without the sauce, no? That's why they don't offer steak sauce or anything. They are confident enough that their steak is that good.
Yeah. I think I could ask for it if I want. I don't really need it. It's really so good. Honey, I will finish the chili,
Ah, sige. Oh, the chicken is also tender. Namoy pa. It smells so good. Chicken pala. Tapos ano itong sauce? Ah, suka.
Or because it's barbecue, so it might be sweet, sweetish.
I don't need the suka. This one tastes really good. Siyempre, feeling healthy tayo. Kain tayo ng ano, vegetable. Walang tissue.
Madam? Tissue is just around the corner.
Ah, you have to go and get it yourself.
Oh, they will bring it if you ask, but I'm good for self-service.
Ay, yun pala eh. May tissue pala eh. Makalat akong kumain. Like a little kid. Oh, real steak knife. Let me try a little piece. Huh?
Let me think about it.
Ayun, dumadami niyang tao. Ingay na.
I have a crime scene here. Somebody stole my steak. It's gone. Who took it? Was it you? No?
Okay, final answer. Everything is finished na. Pack up namin yung mga leftovers namin. Look, the place is getting crowded.
Preparing a new set of 6, 8-seater, I don't know, over there.
Oh, nga, preparing for the crowd.
And they're busy. She told me she acknowledged my request, but
And then she
doesn't
ran
have-
away.
Yeah.
May survey pa. Ha? Everybody's so nice here. Seryoso. Okay, ito na yung takeout namin. We are almost ready to go. We had already paid. We actually ended up with the senior discount. After the discount, we ended up with 1,900 something.
Everything was very good tasting and very good.
And very good and friendly staff pa. The manager even came over kanina to us, how's the food and everything. It was really nice. I couldn't take a video because I was so busy finishing up my lunch. Anyway, we are almost ready to go, as I said. We'll see you later.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive in that bed.
Texas ROADHOUSE.
Dami na ang tao.
Oh, that's why you don't see Tao in the shops.
Ala, kuya.
I see here, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want,